My name is Giovanna Bernal. I'm a Panama attorney with more than 20 years of experience. And today I'm going to talk about why so many Americans are relocating to Panama in 2025. Have you noticed how many Americans are moving to Panama? And this is more than a trend, this is a strategic move. And of course, why you might have to consider this too. And one thing is, first, the tax advantage. Panama has a territorial tax system, which means that only what's generated in the country is taxed. Therefore, if your income is not from Panama, let's say you have a foreign income, you live from your investments, or you telework, you have your online business, you can definitely live in Panama without paying taxes here. And this is why so many entrepreneurs and digital nomads are restructuring their lifestyle into residency in Panama. Now, how do you move here? This is a very common question I get pretty much every day, and this is what we do. We help you make residency easy. And for Americans, there are quite a few visas that are available and very straightforward. Of course, the Pensionado visa is one of the top because with a fixed type of income for life of at least $1,000, you can obtain permanent residency in less than 6 months. And yes, it comes with very attractive list of discounts, such as 25% on your airline tickets from Panama, or as Panama as the final destination, 25% on restaurants, transportation, discounts on hotels, and many other more. The cost of living in Panama can be significantly less than what you might spend in the US, of course, without sacrificing your comfort. You can live well with a moderate budget. You just have to choose where to live, whether you want to live in the city, Panama City, or in some of the suburbs, in some of the Panama City's neighborhoods, or in the interior where it's definitely cheaper and quiet than in Panama City. So there are different options for everyone. Healthcare is modern and affordable. Families can also find reasonable private schools, and Panama City offers a good balance between modern lifestyle and nature. And don't forget, Panama uses the USD, we use the dollar as our legal currency, so you don't have to worry about conversion. So this is another thing you have to consider. If you're thinking bigger, like moving or extending your business to Panama, this is another great and beneficial thing to consider. Panama company formation is straightforward. It will take us no more than 2 weeks to have a business settled. There are no local ownership restrictions. You can own property 100%. You can own a company also 100% without any local restrictions. And also, investors would want to also look at those hot places that are being sold in Panama, such as Costa del Este, Avenida Balboa, Santa Maria, Buenaventura, Coronado and Gorgona areas, and Boquete. Panama is a hub. Panama has a strategic location and has direct flights to many cities in the US, so you can travel to Miami, Houston, New York, Washington, Los Angeles, and other cities from the US in less than 5 hours. So if you are in the south of the US, you can easily come to Panama in 5 hours. If you are in Miami, 3.5 hours. If you are in LA, 6 hours. So as you can see, if you are in the East Coast, going to Panama will take you less hours than going to the west side of the US. And politically and economically, Panama is one of the most stable regions in our area, in Central America and South America. And that's not only good for your peace of mind, it's also good for your future, your family, and your investments. As we have seen in the last couple of years, Panama is not only for retirees, it's also good for digital nomads, entrepreneurs, families, and any individual that is really looking to have a new lifestyle, a new way of living. And as you can see, Panama has good residency options to look for. Finally, I would like to invite you to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel, and if you're curious about how to relocate to Panama, you can always click in the link below for a complimentary Zoom consultation. Bye bye.